So Dodge is going EV, like EV, like full electric. What's it look like? Well, what's it sound like? Hold up. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking for me to give my opinion on Dodge going EV. First and foremost, make sure you guys are like and subscribing to the channel. I know a lot of you watch it. Make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe. Definitely appreciate it. You guys are helping me out. So everyone's seen that Dodge obviously is going EV, right? I've gotten so many comments on my posts on social media of people saying, F Dodge, forget Dodge, I'm turning on Dodge. I want to say this first and foremost for you guys. You guys are not really true car enthusiasts if you don't know what's going on. I'm sorry. If you do know what's going on, it's not Dodge that's wanting to go EV. They have to go EV. But since they are going EV, they are number one already in my book, especially in this category they're making called eMuscle. Let me explain. Think logically for a second. I know you want to jump on the bandwagon. Oh, I hate it. I can't believe easy. I love my Dodge. I'm in it right now, you know, doing my thing. You guys seen Dodge is going EV. It's the only EV car that has sound. Let's just start there. Come on, man. No disrespect to Tesla, no disrespect to any of these other EVs. They're the only EV that's making sound. They even patented their sound. People hating on it, oh, that sounds ridiculous. Get out of the mindset of thinking it has to be Hellcat sounds. Future is coming, guys. It's changing everything. Even Lamborghini, even Ferrari, everybody's going EV or hybrid, whether you like it or not. Yeah, you want to talk your mess and say, I don't like Dodge anymore. Well, you ain't gonna like any company in the future because everybody's going EV or hybrid. The thing is, the real enthusiasts know that even the cars that are fully electric or hybrid, like the McLaren, like a few other cars, are super fast. They still have exhaust sounds. So relax yourselves. You guys are like getting way too overzealous and hype and angered, and it's it's laughable to me, honestly.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Embrace it. Like, why get mad about it? Because here are the options that most companies were faced with. A, either go EV, or B, shut down your company. I guarantee a lot of you, if Dodge, you know, let's say Dodge went and said, no, we're not doing EV, right? You guys would be like, yeah, Dodge is not doing EV. But then when Dodge shuts down, you're gonna say, I can't believe Dodge let themselves shut down. You can't have your cake and eat it too, guys. Dodge, as Tim said, big shout out to Tim Kaniskis and Dodge for showing me much love on social media as they usually do. As Tim said, we didn't like it. We didn't want to go EV, but we're taking this road by the horns. We're embracing it. I'm paraphrasing, of course, but you know, if you watch the reveal, you know what he said, right? So why not embrace it and do what Dodge does as you're embracing it, guys? Come on, man. They got this. They got this. Relax. Like they said, they'll definitely service up some Dodge flavored EVs, among other cars. Like they have the Hurricane engines, they have the 4-cylinder motors. They're trickling Dodge flavor all around, guys, and they're doing it right. And I definitely rock with what Dodge is doing. You should too. Look at the design of the EV. super dope, guys. It's sleek. It has a new but retro style to it, and it's definitely dope. I like it. Those of you who know me know I'm all about design. Know I'm all about artwork. All about how these cars, not just Dodge, any cars, put together right with effort, design, aerodynamics. Dodge is doing the right thing, guys. You got to give them credit. 2-door Charger, different but dope. And the car is a hatchback. Sheesh! A hatchback. Look at this. So a hatchback Charger, right? That's dope, guys. And look at the concept of the interior. Now, you can't tell me that Dodge is not putting it down the right way for us. Come on, man. Stop the foolishness. Stop the V8s all day. Guys, I drive a V8. I love my 6.4 Scat Pack. I love it. But looking forward, would I drive that EV? Absolutely. Especially if it gives me more horsepower than this. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to keep this 6.4 as long as possible, because I know the values of these are gonna go up too, because they're gonna be pretty much extinct. Guys, you gotta embrace it. It's something that's coming. EVs. So Dodge is doing it, guys. The design is amazing. The sound different, but I like it. It's dope. It's something different. It's either sound or this. Yeah, that's it. No sound. So it's like, what are you choosing to have? We don't want to go around in circles. Dodge is having crazy sound in an EV. Sure, it's going to put down some good numbers. It's Dodge. Come on. Be realistic. No other muscle cars actually, or American cars, really advertising like Dodge. Dodge, hands down, has the best advertisement out there. They do. And I'm not riding, guys. You know what I mean. No cap, as the young kids say. I'm not trying to boast just because I have Dodge. Think about this for a sec. Logically think about this. You see Chevy making commercials that are riveting and attracting their customers like crazy in terms of their sports car or muscle car. No. You see Ford doing that with their Mustangs. No. See anyone else doing that with their cars that are showing you, yeah, we got the power. Yeah, we got the performance. Yeah, we have the street appeal. Yeah, we have the street cred. Yeah, we're a muscle car. No, you don't. So what more do you want? No, I don't like that things are going EV. But that's the government mandates, guys. It's not Dodge that's choosing to do this. It's the government mandates. Dodge said, okay, instead of shutting down, let's roll with it. Let's watch the blueprints of what they want us to stay within, and let's try to give our customers as much as we possibly can while still remaining Dodge. I highly respect Dodge for maneuvering through the obstacles instead of just quitting. That's what it sounds like to me. A lot of you want Dodge to just quit or just to rebel and then get shut down. Or a company that's foolish. So they're rolling with it and they're grabbing it by the horns. I respect that. You gotta respect that, man. So shout out to Dodge and that design. And Dodge is releasing all the other things too. Chassis of the Challenger you can get for under $8,000. You can get these rolling drag packs. You can get the full carbon fiber 1960 something Charger. Then you're gonna get the Roadrunner. Then you're gonna get the Cuda. Bruh, what are y'all on? Who's doing that? I'm starting to see Ford and Chevy trying to ride the wave that Dodge is doing, trying to say, oh, we want to release the Chevy Chevelle or SS with a retro look. That ain't it. You see Ford you see these companies, these other third-party companies revealing these Ford GTs, SSs with these body kits. That's dope, but Dodge is doing it from factory. A lot of people like to say, well, the Camaro's not selling. Face the facts. Well, the Ford Mustang, the Ford is selling, but the GT500 2020 selling? Nope. Limited stock, limited numbers. Is the Dodge Charger selling? Yep. Well, which trims? All of them. Is the Dodge Challenger selling? Yep. Which trims? All of them. Come on, man. Be real. Be realistic. Be grown up. Don't be childish. Dodge is killing it. That's why you see the buzz is so alive like Dodge is having right now. This is Go Cardo Go. Make sure you like, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts, honestly, what you think about what I just said, some of the things I just said, and what do you think of the Dodge SRT Daytona Banshee? I know it's a long name, but I love it. I love it. Tell me what you think of it. It's Go Cardo Go. We outie.
For us to do that, it needed to look like a Dodge, sound like a Dodge, and drive like a Dodge. Most thought it couldn't be done, but you would be amazed how creative designers and engineers can get Reimagine the most iconic muscle car ever. Then make it aerodynamic as possible, as slippery as a melted jelly bean, but make it look like it was chiseled out of granite. Package an EV powertrain that will outperform our current V8s, yes, even our supercharged V8s, so make it all-weather capable with the utility of a big box store. A muscle car that can literally run the quarter mile, run to Costco, and outrun Darwin. Do it the Dodge way, with patents, innovations, features, and performance that would literally reverberate through the entire industry. This is the EV that you didn't see coming, but you'll definitely hear it coming.
We still have our rights. The right to remain loud. The right to be irrational. The right to break form and push people's buttons. We have the right to dodge convention. See what I did there? And we have the God-given right to save the muscle car. So go ahead, sentence us to life without reason, and throw away the keys. We don't need keys where we're going. All muscle, all electric.